So I want to check because we know that there are some sitters that have written, or rather the minister has appointed some COs for 5 years without necessarily, there are COs who are appointed for 5 years now.
No. Transparent, honest, and open. That's the only way we can go.
So they are wrong.
You know why I'm saying this? And I'm going to say this with tongue in cheek. We don't know the person that's appointed. Did somebody screen that person? We're going to sit with legal fees one of these days on other sitters. Only transparent, and there's rules that the minister said, you must do this and this and this. Police clearance.
So if last question, Chair, if the minister now has appointed CEOs who are going to have a 5-year contract, they've been appointed now, according to you, that's not a correct process.
First of all, my opinion, and that's only my opinion, the minister is misled for some other way. He didn't know or wasn't informed what was going on. Maybe he was confused of the thing that goes on about the interim acting people. He was working with that. So we must go look what happened. But there's no way you can appoint now for 5 years.
Thank you.
That time frame.
Thank
my
you,
opinion.
Okay.